Hello guys, greetings of the day. Once again, it's your dentist friend Dr. Gaurav Gupta from Chikitsa Dental, and I'm here with another dental educational video for you all. Lots of people lose their one or more teeth due to some or the other reasons. And out of those who have missing teeth, more than 50% doesn't bother to get it replaced. The remaining people who are willing to get the missing teeth replaced are in dilemma that what is best for them, dental bridges or dental implants. If you ask me, then my vote will go with dental implants as long as the conditions are favorable for the implant treatment. Some of the conditions which are unfavorable for dental implants may be unhealthy underlying bone, some kind of systemic diseases like diabetes, especially the uncontrolled diabetes, which can compromise the success rate of implant treatment. If a person is chronic smoker or is immuno-compromised, then implant treatment should be avoided. The reason that I am supporting dental implants is not that we'll make more money in implant treatment, but the reason is that implant will offer the patient so many advantages as compared to the dental bridges. So guys, in my video, I'll be telling you just about few advantages of dental implants. Dental implants are accepted by dental professionals for over more than 40 years as a successful and trusted method of tooth replacement. They act like your natural tooth root, and you do not feel the difference between the artificial tooth and a natural tooth. Implants are made up of biocompatible materials, generally titanium, and as a result, they are very well accepted by our body. The implants can actually last for lifetime as your natural teeth with proper oral care and good oral hygiene. With a dental implant in place, a person can maintain natural bone and minimize further bone loss due to gradual bone stimulation, which is one of the most important advantage of dental implants. Implants provide stability and comfort for a wide variety of teeth replacement solutions. So I'll explain each and every advantage of dental implants one by one. The first advantage is delivering a proven and successful solution. Dental implants are widely recognized to be the most successful method of tooth replacement. Placed by specially trained dentists, implants and modern prosthetic implants are hard to be recognized and give perfect feel of natural teeth. The color, shape and contour of the replacement teeth can be adapted to match that of your natural teeth. And with dental implants, healthy teeth do not have to be compromised. The second advantage of dental implants is it maintains a youthful appearance of a person. Maintaining your natural bone is one of the most important advantages of dental implants. With missing teeth, the bone begins to resorb over time. Significant bone loss can shrink the contours of the jawbone, causing wrinkled lips and sunken mouth and chin. Dental implants can help counteract that by preventing resorption of the jawbone and at the same time stimulating bone growth and stopping the bone loss. The third important advantage of implants is preserving your healthy teeth. With conventional dental bridges, your adjacent teeth are used as anchors and most often they need to be grinded down. Dental implants eliminate this need and allow natural healthy teeth to be preserved in their original state. The fourth advantage of dental implants is comfortable solutions that last for long. The latest prosthetics and implant solutions are very durable. They are more stable, more comfortable, and more functional than conventional dentures. And because dental implants are made of biocompatible materials, they are also more tolerated by the body. With proper care and good oral hygiene, these prosthetic solutions may last for many years, and at times dental implants can actually last for lifetime also. The fifth, last and most important advantage of dental implants is providing stable retention and security. The stable retention of prosthetic solutions and implant supported tooth replacements offer strength, reliability, and durability similar to that of natural teeth. Crowns, bridges, or prosthetics are securely anchored to integrated dental implants. This eliminates some of the main problems of conventional prosthetics like poor fit, gum irritation, pressure points, speech, and taste impairment. The result is an aesthetically comfortable, reliable, and stress-free solution. So guys, choose your teeth replacement solution very wisely. If conditions are favorable and your pocket allows you, then first choice should be dental implants. Goodbye friends, eat healthy, stay healthy, and take very good care of yourself. And thanks a lot for taking out time and listening to me.